What's going on, guys? Behind me is a massive 52-inch light bar from MICTuning. And so this light bar packs a whopping 20,000 lumens and has 100 high-intensity LEDs. And before I go and switch this thing on, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on the top of my Subi, just so you guys can see how massive this is. MICTuning sent me out their 52-inch version, but they do come in multiple sizes. It comes in 52, 42, 32, 22, 12. But you'll have to check out their website, which I'll leave in the description below, and check that out yourself. But just to run through what MICTuning sent out, right over here is one of their switches. This one's a blue one. They come in different colors, and they have different engravings on the front, but we'll go through that in a second. They also sent us out their harness, which I have to include that it's not included with the purchase of the light bar. You'll have to buy that separately. But their harness includes a fuse, their their relay, as well as these little clips, which are great. These are like one of those like nails that are insulated, and these are great for when it plugs into the harness. And MICTuning advertises this as a very durable light bar. They say that it's made out of military die-cast aluminum, that their brackets are heavy duty and they're powder coated. They got 10-piece premium aluminum fins, which cools 50% faster. The light color is 66,000 to 6200K, which is a crystal white light. But enough about that. Let's throw this thing on top of the Subi and let's see how bright it is. Okay, so currently I have the 52-inch light bar on top of my roof rack on my Subi. So what now I'm going to do is turn off the light and show you this nice switch that MICTuning offers. It's not your traditional switch. In the sense of it's not like an on-off switch, like just flicks it on and off. This is an actually nice, nicely curved, looks OEM-ish switch, which right now is blue. They do come in green and red as well, as they come in different, I guess, designs on the front. This one just says LED light bar with a little LED light bar emblem that gets illuminated. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch this on, and the light bar turns on. And then to turn off, it's just a down switch. But what I like about this switch is that it looks OEM-ish, and it looks like it could fit right into an OEM slot. So right now I have the light bar on. I just want to show you guys, I don't know if you can see it from the camera, but the spot beam is in the middle and the flood beams are on the side. So I'm going to get you a little bit closer to the light bar. And it looks like the outer 8 LEDs are flood beam and the spot beams are in the middle. Just so that from the outside perspective it's just shining light out and the spot beam is putting it directly in front. Just so you can see what's in front of you, and the outside is just illuminated. So what I'm going to do right now, it's pretty dark outside. I'm going to flip the light bar 180 degrees, just so you guys can see what it looks like outside. Alright, so towards the back over there, if you could see the opposing 2 garages here, I'd say that'd be at least 100, 150 feet. So I'm going to go and flip the switch on. And so it's angled up a little bit. I'm going to direct it down. Alright, so there you have it, MICTuning's 52-inch light bar. I had to relocate because there's just too much over there. It's almost as big as my shelf here. Big thank you to MICTuning for sending that out to us. I really appreciate it. Great products. I love the switch. I love the harness. I love the heavy-duty light bar. This would go great on a truck rig or a Jeep rig. If you haven't seen my Jeep videos, I'll post up a link here for you guys to check it out. Definitely this would be a great complement to throwing it on the Jeep as opposed to having the other light bar from Oxbeam. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Leave them in the comment section below. Definitely check out MICTuning. I will leave the part numbers to the harness, the switch, the light bar, and all that in the description below so you guys can check that out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. See ya!